Hi, I'm David Aniki for USA Credit Repair, and welcome to the Credit Repair Show. Today we're going to be speaking about credit utilization on your credit cards. A lot of people make the mistake of topping out or maxing out their credit cards. Stay tuned, got a lot to share with you. Okay, welcome back to the USA Credit Repair Show. Once again, I'm David Aniki, and it's time to educate you about credit utilization, especially when it comes to your revolving credit cards. Now, one of the things that truly impacts your credit score happens to be how much credit you use off of your credit cards. Of course, there's this rule where they say don't go above 30% usage of your credit card lines. Is that true? For the most part, it is true. Here at USA Credit Repair, we suggest that you actually keep your credit utilization under 25%. It truly can affect your credit score each and every single month when the bureaus actually reports your scores. So make sure that if you do use your credit cards, ultimately you bring them down rather under 25%. Now, is this true for every single individual? Not 100%, but it is a rule that you should definitely institute. You will find that your scores fluctuate from month to month if you're not keeping your credit card utilization under 25%. Once again, the general rule is 30%, as they say in the industry. But once again, here at USA Credit Repair, we like to be a little bit more conservative to make sure that you're doing the right thing. Now, let's talk a little bit about why it is that your credit scores may not necessarily truly be affected by this rule. Now, your credit score is made up of multiple things, and one of them happens to be your payment history, how long you have had your credit cards or your line of credit. And if you have had a solid history of credit, you may even actually use up your credit utilization and still have yourself, use up your credit line and still have yourself a very good credit score. However, if I were you, stick to the rule of keeping your revolving credit under 25% every month. Now you may be saying, what's the sense in having the credit cards if I can't use them? The credit cards if I can't max them? Why is this? Well, let me put it this way, ladies and gentlemen. No one is saying that you can't max your credit cards. No one is saying that you can't max them and utilize them. However, make sure you pay them down to 25% when the bill comes due. Once again, I am David Aniki for USA Credit Repair, just giving you a little bit of a credit tip here on the USA Credit Repair Show. You can reach me at 1-800-USA-7177. That's 1-800-USA-7177. Or you can call me directly at 646-200-5881. That's 646-200-5881. And yes, I do one-on-one consultations. Before we go today, there's something specifically that I'd like to speak with you about. And that is something that can help you where your credit utilization is concerned. So let's say you have already maxed the cards, and let's say your credit scores are overing in the 600s because you have maxed the cards, and of course you need to bring them down under 25% to get your scores to jump up. There is something that we here at USA Credit Repair can do for you. It's not for everyone, and we don't have enough for everyone. And it's called adding a trade line to your credit. Yes, here at USA Credit Repair, we have valid and positive trade lines that will jump your scores significantly. Now, the best thing that you can do for your credit is actually adding a trade line, a positive trade line with at least 2-year credit history, and obviously the utilization on that trade line being under 25% or even at 0%. And we'll talk a little bit about that 0% in a minute or two. So ladies and gentlemen, we have approximately 5 minutes for you to get one of 5 trade lines that we have here at USA Credit Repair, where you can get your credit score jumped up to approximately 100 to 150 points. Now, this is not a gimmick, this is not a joke, this is not a bluff. This is something that you will actually see within 30 to 45 days, if not less, when we add this trade line to your credit. Now, some people are saying, okay, David Aniki, what is a trade line? A trade line is a positive account that is added to your credit. So hypothetically, let's say here in house we have multiple trade lines. I can take one of our trade lines, let's say a $20,000 credit card, okay, that we have in house, and we can add this $20,000 credit card, the line of credit, on your credit. So if I add $20,000 worth of credit on Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, obviously your credit scores will soar, specifically being that the utilization of that $20,000 credit line is under 25%. I hope you're getting the drift. If you want more information on this, or you'd like to be one of the 5 individuals who can get the trade line within the next 5 minutes, do me a favor. Call me here at 1-800-USA-7177. That's 1-800-USA-7177. Or call me directly at 646-200-5881. That is 646-200-5881. I'm here to help. The information is free, the advice is free, the trade line is not. And if you'd like credit repair work done, that's not free also. But we can come up with a payment plan to help you to get your credit repaired. And once again, you can do it yourself, DIY. However, let me ask you something. If you need your heart to be operated on, would you operate on your heart yourself? No, you wouldn't. But hey, it's worth a try sometimes. But if you'd like more information, give me a call. I also do, once again, as I noted earlier, one-on-one consultations. So call me up, ladies and gentlemen, 1-800-USA-7177, or call me directly at 646-200-5881. Do me a favor and follow me right here on my Facebook page or YouTube channel. And also, ladies and gentlemen, follow me personally at David Squeezadiki on Facebook and also on Instagram. On Instagram, you can also follow us at USA Credit Repair, and the same on Facebook. Thank you so much, and until next time on the USA Credit Repair Show, I am David Adiki, and let me just say this much. A couple of things you should keep high: your head and your credit score. Thanks again. Log on to usacreditrepair.inc.com and also follow me.